Welcome to Mississippi Family Homestead. Today we're going to be talking about the different chicken breeds and how many eggs they produce a year. If you're looking to acquire a new breed of chicken or you're starting a homestead, then this video is for you. Well, the first thing you need to know is that not all chickens are created equal. You have production breeds, you have heritage and ornamental breeds that weren't bred for maximum output, so they tend to live a little longer. The first breed of chicken that I'd like to talk about is this chicken right here. Now, she is a cinnamon queen. And cinnamon queens are a hybrid breed, and they're a cross between a Rhode Island male rooster and a White Rock or a Rhode Island white hen. They're not a true breed of chicken. So, because they're not a true breed and they're a hybrid, they don't live quite as long because they're bred to produce a bunch of eggs. They do lay quite well for the first couple of years, but after that, they don't lay very well at all, and they don't live for long. They only live from 2 to 3 years old. Another type of hybrid breed that looks very similar to the cinnamon queen is a golden comet. These are popular breeds that are easy to find and are sold at a lot of the supply stores. So if you're looking for a breed of chicken that's going to lay lots and lots of eggs, but remember, they won't live very long, that is the cinnamon queen or a golden comet. The second breed of chicken that I'd like to talk about is the black Australorp. Now, this breed of chicken is one of the longest living breeds of chickens that you can get. They live to be up to 10 years old and have been known to live longer. Now, they're one of the best all-around backyard breeds that you can raise. There is a story that one of them holds the world record of laying 364 eggs in 365 days. That means that chicken missed one day in 1 year of laying an egg. That was a black Australorp. They're very calm and friendly, and because they're a heritage breed and not a production bird, they live to be from 8 to 10 years old. Now, my favorite breed of chicken is the Easter eggers. Now, they can lay many variety of colored eggs. They're blue, green, a dark olive color, even pink. It's amazing. Most Easter eggers live to be 6 to 8 years old, and they produce at least 280 eggs per year. One of the most popular breeds is the Ameraucana. Americanas can differ in color, but the one that I have is black with little white feathers on her head. The Americanas lay blue eggs. Now, the Americana roosters, they're beautiful too. So if you really want a color variety in your eggs, think about getting some Easter eggers. Now, I know we're supposed to be talking about egg production, but if you want a beautiful rooster on your farm or your homestead, you should get a black copper Maran rooster. Black copper Maran hens lay gorgeous eggs. They're a dark brown color, and they're just gorgeous. Now, they are good egg producers, but maybe not quite as good as some of the other breeds, but their eggs are beautiful. Black copper Marans can live up to 8 years. If you're looking to get a pretty chicken and also a good egg layer, a buff Orpington is the one to get. Now, this sweet baby girl, she's only about 6 weeks old right now, and she'll start laying eggs when she gets about 6 months old. Now, she'll lay between 200 to 280 large, light brown eggs a year. Now, that's about 3 to 5 eggs per week. My baby chicken is the original golden yellow type of Orpington, but they do come in a variety of colors: black, blue, white, lavender, and jubilee. So if you want a variety in your colors, this is the breed to get. Okay, so far we've talked about cinnamon queens, black Australorps, buff Orpingtons, black copper Marans, Easter eggers, and it's time to change things just a little bit. Let's talk about some entertaining breeds of chickens. One of the most entertaining and interesting types of chickens are the Bantam chickens. Now, I have several different breeds of Bantams. The first one that I'd like to talk about are the Silkie. Now, Silkies can live from 7 to 9 years, and they're one of the longest living backyard breeds. Now, they're not a heavy egg layer, so they don't produce a lot of eggs per year, but they sure are entertaining.
Also, you have to be really careful that they don't get wet and cold in the wintertime. Their feathers are just not the same as any other breed of chicken. The last breed that I'd like to talk about for the Bantam chickens is the white crested Polish Bantam. Now, they can live from 5 to 8 years, and they're one of the most recognizable chickens in the world because of the crest on their head. Now, they're really cute and funny and entertaining. Now, the crest is beautiful, but it does block their vision, so sometimes they run into things or they just act like they can't see very well. Just like the Silkies, they do not produce very many eggs per year. Now, if you're wanting good entertainment or you just want to raise chickens as a hobby and not egg production, then Bantam chickens may just be the perfect type of chicken for you. Their eggs are really small, so it'll take 2 small eggs to 1 large egg if you're cooking them to eat. One thing that you may want to keep in mind for Bantam chickens, you do need a secure area for them. It's really easy for a predator to get one of these chickens because of their size. My absolute favorite is any of the Easter egger breeds. I just love getting the different colored eggs every day. The egg production is great, and they have dozens of different colors. Whatever breed that you may choose, just make sure that you also provide a good diet and good fresh water every day. Keep in mind, if you want your chickens to live a long, healthy life, you need to keep them in a secure coop. The number one cause of an early chicken death is not disease, it's predators. So a secure coop matters. Now that you know which breeds lay the most eggs, you might be wondering, when do they start actually laying eggs? Watch this video and I'll walk you through exactly what to expect.